Everyone puts outstanding communication skills on their CV, and yet few people really do have them. Outstanding communicators are not born. They have invested time in learning certain skills that you can learn too. Since 2002, I've been teaching professionals how to communicate and perform more successfully. In this course, I'll teach you everything I've learned from my 20+ years of experience, many of which were spent at Barclays and Credit Suisse, designing various documents for senior banking clients. From learning how to design and deliver impactful, persuasive slide decks to properly formatting Word documents and understanding how to grab your audience's attention, this micro degree will set you up for instant success in the workplace. The course also covers financial modeling and data analysis for those interested in finance. So, whether you're a student looking to develop powerful business skills or a professional wanting to improve their personal brand and career opportunities, this is the perfect micro degree for you. I'm Seth Wainwright, ex-function head at Credit Suisse and Barclays, and this is how to be a standout business professional and communicator.